One thing I thought about, one reason that God is happy is he knows the end from the beginning.
Yeah. It's that unknown stuff that messes you up, right?
Right. And so we have been given, and so anybody would say, well, if I knew, like our friends, one of our closest friends, their daughter was recently, she's burning trash. She ended up getting burned over 50% of her body with second and third degree burns. So, I mean, it's awful what she's going through. If you could see the end of that.
Yes.
Yeah. But that's where faith comes in. And
it is.
Given faith.
It is.
And even though we don't know the end, we know it's going to be good.
Yeah.
But,
exactly.
And
that's what it's about, And a lot of times you see glimpses of a better story in this life.
Right.
Things get better sometimes, but not always.
Oh.
And since we're mortal, well, we're all one down. But in the next life, the best is yet to come.
Right.
The sequel. And God knows the sequel because he wrote the sequel.
Right.
And so, And if we know the sequel, God can be happy because he wrote the sequel. We can be happy because we know he wrote the sequel.
Right. And but that's because that's our problem most of the times with like what our friends are going through is you just don't, she's a single mom, she has a son, and it just it makes no sense and relative, and but if they had but we're not, that's why we're given faith. And some people, because if we knew what the end, what it was going to be like and how it was going to end up and all that, well, I guess we wouldn't need faith then, would we?
Right.
But,
so faith is God granting the realization to embrace the sequel. And how wonderful is that? And when you can look beyond all circumstances and all situations and know that God is absolutely sovereign, that he's absolutely loving, then and this sequel is going to be beautiful, then we can relax. And even in the hardest times, we can join in on Father and our heads' joy and happiness.
And this probably leads into your next talk where you're going to talk about the difference between